Objective questions of amalgamation of companies. First question is amalgamation of companies is governed by dash. AS 14, Accounting Standard 14, second, AS 14. Second, the scheme of amalgamation can involve dash companies. Can involve, here two answers are right. None तो नहीं आएगा, 2 right है और 3 भी हो सकता है. B and D are correct. B and D. Answer B and D are correct. 2 या 2 से ज्यादा कंपनी लिक्विडेट होके न्यू कंपनी फॉर्म होंगे, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं scheme of amalgamation. Third, the amalgamation requires approval of dash. First High Court, second Registrar of Companies, Central Government Directors. You need approval of High Court. A is correct answer. Fourth, approval by dash a shareholder is necessary for treatment as in nature of merger. Fourth is C, 90%. Approval of 90% of shareholder is important, is necessary for amalgamation in the nature of merger. Approval by dash percentage of shareholders is required for implementing the scheme of amalgamation. Point number 5 is 75% shareholders for scheme of amalgamation. Approval by 75% of shareholders is required for implementation of scheme of amalgamation. Point number 6, in case of purchase method, transferee company, that is purchasing company, should record assets at dash. Book value, cost, market value, agreed value. At agreed value. In purchase method, you can give value according to your calculation. In purchase method, you have to acquire the assets at the agreed value. D is correct. Point number 7, in case of pooling of interest method, that means merger method. In case of purchase method, you are taking assets, recording assets at agreed value. In case of merger method, pooling of interest method, purchasing company should record assets at book value. D, book value. Okay. Amalgamation adjustment reserve account is required in respect of dash statutory reserve, because you have to maintain this reserve after the merger. Purchasing company has to maintain this statutory reserve after merger. So amalgamation adjustment reserve is written on the debit side to statutory reserve account. Point number 9, the excess of net asset value over consideration is dash. When you are acquiring company, you are paying amount, that is consideration, purchase consideration, but your net asset value is greater than that. If the net asset value is greater than purchase consideration, answer is capital reserve. You are getting more assets, but you are paying less. Right? Asset value is greater than consideration. That means you are paying less for the assets which you have acquired. That is, the profit will go to capital reserve. Number 10, AS 14 covers amalgamation of dash, amalgamation of companies. A. Point number 11. On amalgamation, the transferor selling company transfer its assets to realization account at dash at book value. You will transfer all the assets at book value. Next, X and Y Limited form a new company, XY Limited. X and Y get liquidated and they form a new company, XY Limited. Net assets of X is 5,50,000, Y Limited 6 lakh. Purchase consideration 10 lakhs, 8 lakhs. The purchase consideration is to be settled by issue rupees 100 of fully paid shares of XY Limited at par. The number of shares issued to XY Limited will be dash. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का आंसर है number of shares issued to XY Limited will be dash. Answer is 1 lakh shares according to textbook. Question number 13. On 31st March 2019, X Limited acquired Y Limited. The balance sheet of Y Limited was as follows. This is selling company's balance sheet. If all assets and liabilities are taken at book value, the purchase consideration payable X by X Limited is dash. सब asset liability जब टेक ओवर करेंगे बुक वैल्यू पे तो उसका पीसी निकालेंगे. इक्विटी रिजर्व्स को छोड़ दो, बाकी ये सब प्लस करके प्रिलिमिनरी को भी छोड़ दो. जब नेट एसेट मेथड से करते हैं तो प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंसेस को अवॉइड करना है. 13 lakhs plus 5 lakh 70, 18 lakh 70 minus 7 lakh 20. 18 lakh 70 minus 7 lakh 20. 1150,000 फर्स्ट 13th का A. फिक्स्ड एसेट करंट एसेट को प्लस करो, उसके बाद करंट लायबिलिटीज को लेस करो. Pooja Limited purchased Rita Limited and agreed to pay the following to Rita Limited for the acquisition. 2 equity shares of Pooja Limited for 20 each, fully paid for every equity share of Rita Limited, and cash ₹4 per share held. Total equity shares of Rita Limited are 5,000 shares. Discharge of Rita Limited 20,000 10% debentures by issue of 15,000 12% debentures of ₹100 each of Pooja Limited and cash at ₹5 per debenture held. The PC payable by Pooja Limited to Rita Limited is dash. Two equity shares of Pooja Limited for 20 each for every equity share of Rita Limited. So Rita is having 5,000 shares, total equity shares of 5,000. So replacing 5,000 share with 10,000 shares, 1 one old equity share with new 2 equity shares of Pooja. So 2:1, 5,000 into 2, 10,000 equity shares of 20 each, that is 2 lakh. Equity capital discharged by Pooja Limited is 2 lakh. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 2 लाख आया. उसके बाद 4 रुपीज पर शेयर दिया है यहाँ पे. 4 rupees per share held. 5,000 into 4, 20,000. 2 lakh and 20,000. Discharge of Rita Limited 20,000, 10% debentures by issue of 15,000. So new debentures issued 15,000 and 20,000 cancelled. 15,000 into 100, that is 15 lakhs. And 5 rupees per debenture cash is given. 20,000 into 5, that is 1 lakh. So if you make total of all the amount paid by Pooja Limited to Rita Limited in form of shares and cash, 2 lakh equity capital, 2 lakh equity capital and cash to equity shareholders 4 into 5,000, that is 20,000. 2 lakh and 20,000. 2 lakh equity capital given to Rita shareholders and 20,000 cash given to equity shareholders of Rita Limited. 16 lakh, 15 lakh equity, 15 lakh debentures given to Rita Limited debenture holders, and cash given to debenture holders is 1 lakh. 5 into 20,000. So total comes to 18 lakh 20,000. 2 lakh plus 20, 2 lakh 20,000 plus 15 lakh plus 1 lakh, 18 lakh 20,000. 14 का A आंसर है. Next is 15th. Liabilities, assets, 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 1 lakh. P&L account 2 lakh 20,000. Creditors 50,000. Fixed asset 2 lakh. Current assets 1 lakh 70,000. On 1st April 2019, Omega Limited took over the business of Universal Limited for a consideration of 3,75,000. Profit or loss on realization was dash. ओमेगा लिमिटेड ने टुक ओवर किया बिजनेस यूनिवर्सल लिमिटेड का. 3,75,000 उसका कंसिडरेशन दिया है. You will transfer fixed assets to realization account 2 lakh. You will transfer current assets to realization account 1,70,000. You will transfer creditors to realization account 50,000. Add these two and deduct 50,000. 3,70,000 minus 50,000, 3,20,000. 3,20,000 के जगह आपको 3,75,000 मिला है. नेट एसेट के हिसाब से आपको 3,20,000 मिलना चाहिए. यूनिवर्सल लिमिटेड रिसीव्ड 3,75,000 instead of 3,20,000. So profit of 55,000 is profit on realization for Universal Limited. Answer is A. 55,000 profit. Purchase consideration as per AS 14 is the amount payable to dash. पीसी का अमाउंट किसको दिया जाता है? ओनर्स को दिया जाता है. Who are the owners? Shareholders. C. Answer is C. ओनर्स को इसका अमाउंट दिया जाता है. For accounting mergers, the method followed is dash. Pooling of interest method, that is merger method. All the assets and liabilities are recorded at book value in pooling of interest method. Under pooling of interest method, difference between PC, that is amount paid to selling company, and share capital of purchasing company, transferring company, should be adjusted to dash. 18 number A, general reserve account. Number 19, pooling of interest method is method of dash. It is method of accounting for amalgamation C. 20 point under purchase method, any excess of PC over net asset acquired should be recognized as dash. It is recognized as goodwill. If you are paying more, purchasing company is paying more amount and the assets are less and liabilities are more, in that case, it is called as goodwill. You don't call loss as a loss, you call loss as a goodwill. 21. Profit on realization account is transferred by transferor company, selling company to dash. Profit on realization will go to shareholders account, equity shareholders account. Because company is getting closed, P&L will get closed, balance sheet will get cleaned, no item will remain in balance sheet in case of selling company. So transferor is selling company. It will clear all the P&L and it will close all the accounts. While closing the accounts, they will make realization account and profit will be transferred to owners directly instead of writing in P&L account. So answer is A, equity shareholders account. 22nd, the asset which is not taken under net asset method for calculation of PC is discount on issue of shares, loose tools, bills receivables, furniture. You know, discount on issue of share is a fictitious asset which is not taken over at the time of calculation of PC, that is purchase consideration. Discount on issue of share is debited to shareholders account. It is a fictitious asset directly debited to equity shareholder account. So answer is A. Next, companies may combine by amalgamation, absorption, external reconstruction, any of the above. With all these items, companies can combine. So answer is any of the above. D. 24th, if Vijay Limited and Vishakha Limited are taken over by Swati Limited, so these two companies will liquidate Vishakha and Vijay, and new company Swati is formed. This is an example of amalgamation. 24C. 25 point, if Deepa Limited is taken over by Ranveer Limited, it is called as dash. It is called as absorption C. If Santosh Limited and Kumari Limited are taken over by Santosh Kumar Limited, a new company dash. Santosh Limited and Kumari are vendor companies. Yes. संतोष एंड संतोष कुमार लिमिटेड. यहाँ पे संतोष और कुमारी जो है ये दोनों सेलिंग कंपनीज है. ये राइट है, फर्स्ट वाला राइट है. कुमारी लिमिटेड इज अ परचेजिंग कंपनी, रॉन्ग. कुमार लिमिटेड इज अ परचेजिंग कंपनी, रॉन्ग. फर्स्ट ही राइट है, ए इज राइट. संतोष एंड कुमार आर सेलिंग कंपनीज, वेंडर कंपनीज. ए इज राइट. 27. If Santosh Kumari is taken over by Santosh Kumar Limited, a new company is called dash. 27th, external reconstruction. External reconstruction. On amalgamation, business is taken over by a new company. Always new company will be formed to take over the two old companies or two or three old companies. As per AS 14, amalgamation is of two types. Merger of purchase of business. Merger or oblique purchase of business. In the nature of merger and in the nature of purchase. There are two types in case of AS 14. In case of merger, all the assets will be acquired at book value. In case of purchase of business, in case of nature of purchase, you will purchase at agreed value all the assets and liabilities. On merger, vendor companies are dash first liquidated. Answer is A. 31. As per Companies Act 1956 dash amalgamation includes absorption. Absorption includes amalgamation. Wrong. B is wrong. Amalgamation excludes absorption. Wrong. D is also wrong. Internal reconstruction includes external reconstruction. Wrong. First is right. Amalgamation includes absorption. 32. A. 33. Accounting for amalgamation is governed by AS 14. Answer is B. Accounting for absorption is governed by AS 14. C. Accounting for amalgamation by merger is as per AS 14. सब AS 14 में ही आता है. amalgamation कोई भी हो, absorption हो, takeover हो, accounting for amalgamation by purchase is as per AS 14. As per AS 14, transferor company means the company which is amalgamated into another company. B is wrong, C is wrong, and D is wrong. A is right. 38. Transferee company as per AS 14 is dash purchasing company. Transferee company is purchasing company. B is right answer. On amalgamation, preliminary expenses in balance sheet for vendor companies are debited to dash. 39 is B, equity shareholders account. On amalgamation, preliminary expense in balance sheet of vendor companies are debited to equity shareholder account. 39 का B. On amalgamation, debenture account appearing in balance sheet of vendor company is closed by debenture. You can close by crediting to realization account whether debentures are taken over or not. A. 42. On amalgamation, provident fund account in balance sheet of vendor company is transferred to dash. 42. It is transferred to realization account. Sinking fund appearing in balance sheet of vendor company is transferred to preference shareholder account. Equity shareholder account, purchasing company account. Answer is B. Sinking fund is transferred to equity shareholder account. On amalgamation, if preference shares are settled at premium, the premium is dash. अगर आप प्रीमियम पे करते हो पेमेंट के वक्त तो आपको रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट को डेबिट करना पड़ेगा. एक्सपेंसेस यू हैव टू डेबिट in the realization account. Accounting for amalgamation in the books of a vendor company is dash. $45 का the same is all types of amalgamation. Vendor company का accounting जब हम करते हैं amalgamation, it is same in all types of amalgamation. Selling company के books में realization account बनता है, वो कोई भी merger हो, मतलब जब हम लोग मर्जर होता है तो लिक्विडेशन होता है, एक कंपनी जो लिक्विडेट हो रही है या दो कंपनीज लिक्विडेट हो रही हैं तो उनके बुक्स में रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट बनाया जाता है और वो एक ही मेथड से होता है, यानी बुक वैल्यू पे वो सारे एसेट्स को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. वेदर एसेट्स आर टेकन ओवर और नॉट, रियलाइजेशन इज प्रिपेयर्ड. रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट इज प्रिपेयर्ड एट बुक वैल्यू. On amalgamation, accounting for amalgamation in the books of purchasing company is B. Different in all types of amalgamation depending on type of amalgamation. Purchasing company में type of amalgamation देखना है आपको, पहले देखना है ये in the books of merger है या in the books of purchase है. वेंडर के अकाउंट्स एक ही तरफ से बनते हैं, एक ही तरह से बनते हैं, लेकिन परचेजिंग कंपनी में दो मेथड है, इन द नेचर ऑफ मर्जर, इन द नेचर ऑफ परचेज. तो जब इन द नेचर ऑफ मर्जर होगा तो आपको बुक वैल्यू पे सारे एसेट्स का पीसी निकालना है. इन द केस ऑफ परचेज होगा तो एग्रीड वैल्यू पे पीसी का अमाउंट निकालना है और उसकी एंट्रीज करनी है. सो आंसर इज बी फॉर 46. Point number 47. The amalgamation as a merger, all the assets and liabilities of vendor company become the assets and liabilities of dash transferee company. वेंडर के एसेट्स सेलिंग कंपनी के एसेट्स परचेजिंग कंपनी के हो जाएंगे, ट्रांसफरी कंपनी के हो जाएंगे. 47 का आंसर है ए. 48. शेयर होल्डर्स holding not less than 90% of face value of equity share capital in the vendor company become the equity shareholders in the purchasing company if amalgamation is dash. आपको ये क्लॉज पता है, 5 कंडीशंस हैं नेचर ऑफ मर्जर में. तो सेकंड कंडीशन में मैंने आपको बताया कि जो शेयर होल्डर्स है वो कन्विंस हो जाते हैं, अगर 90% शेयर होल्डर्स सेलिंग कंपनी के कन्विंस हो जाते हैं कि 90% शेयर होल्डर्स जो है वो एग्री करते हैं कि वो परचेजिंग कंपनी में शेयर होल्डर्स बनेंगे और वो शेयर्स न्यू कंपनी के एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, तो ऐसे केस में वो नेचर ऑफ मर्जर होता है. इन द नेचर ऑफ मर्जर में 5 कंडीशंस हैं, जिसमें से एक कंडीशन यही है कि 90% शेयर होल्डर्स शुड बिकम शेयर होल्डर्स ऑफ न्यू कंपनी. 48 का आंसर है ए. 49 का आंसर है on amalgamation as a merger, all the assets and liabilities of transferor company are incorporated in the books of transferee company at dash. Book value. Assets and liabilities are recorded in at book value in case of nature of merger. परचेजिंग कंपनी मर्जर के फॉर्म में कर रही है, तो जो वैल्यू है उसी वैल्यू को बुक वैल्यू बैलेंस शीट वैल्यू को लिया जाएगा. पॉइंट नंबर 50, ऑन अमलगमेशन एज अ परचेज ऑफ बिजनेस, assets and liabilities are transferred to the books of purchasing company, transferee company at agreed value. अगर amalgamation in the nature of purchase दिया है, तो ट्रांसफरी कंपनी को अपने assets को agreed value पे consider करना है. 50 का आंसर है C. Under amalgamation as purchase of business, the reserves carried in books of transferee company are dash. अगर आप रिजर्व कैरी कर रहे हो अपनी कंपनी में, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Statutory reserve only. You can carry only one reserve, that is statutory reserve, because you have to maintain for years. This statutory reserve you are required to maintain for number of years, 5 to 6 years you have to maintain. So you will carry this reserve along with the amalgamation of other assets, takeover of other assets. So 51 is answer is A. Amalgamation adjustment reserve account is opened in the books of transferee company to incorporate dash. Answer is C, statutory reserves of transferor company. You can incorporate the statutory reserves of transferor company. 53. Under amalgamation as a purchase of business, the transferee company incorporates in its books only dash. Under amalgamation as a purchase of business, purchasing company incorporates in its books only asset, liabilities, and answer is 53. B. Assets, liabilities, and statutory reserves of transferor company. Goodwill arising on amalgamation is to be dash. Amortized on systematic basis. As per AS 14, payment of expenses on amalgamation. Payment of expenses does not become part of PC. जो हमारे amalgamation के expenses होते हैं, liquidation expenses. Liquidation expenses कभी भी PC के अंदर नहीं आते हैं. It does not form part of PC, that is purchase consideration. 56 answer is B. 55 answer is B. Sorry. 56 asset which is not considered under net asset method of calculation of PC is dash. 56 is A. Underwriting commission. Pooling of interest is a method of dash. 57 accounting for amalgamation A. 58 under purchase method, excess of PC over net asset taken over is accounted as dash. Capital reserve. If you are acquiring any company, PC amount is excess of PC over net asset. Net assets are less and PC you have paid is more. You have acquired less assets of company, liabilities are more. In that case, it is a loss which is accounted as goodwill. A. In case provision for doubtful debts is against the debtors are transferred to realization account at gross amount. एक हमने सम किया था जिसमें बैलेंस शीट में डेटर्स का अमाउंट था, उसके नीचे बैड डेब्ट भी था, तो हमने ग्रॉस अमाउंट लिया था डेटर्स का. जब रियलाइजेशन में ट्रांसफर किया था तो उसको डेटर्स को हमने डेबिट किया था रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट में और बैड डेब्ट्स को हमने क्रेडिट साइड लिखा था रियलाइजेशन के क्रेडिट में लिखा था, उसी को हम लोगों को करना है, वैसे ही करना है, ग्रॉस अमाउंट पे करना है पहले, फिर बैड डेब्ट्स को अभी एंट्री करना है। तो आंसर ए है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 60, पीसी अंडर पेमेंट मेथड इन अमलगमेशन इज डैश। पेमेंट टू शेयर होल्डर्स, आंसर इज ए। 61, under amalgamation, profit on realization is transferred to. 61, answer is A, equity shareholders account. Under amalgamation, loss on realization is debited to. अगर प्रॉफिट हम लोग दे रहे हैं शेयर होल्डर्स को, तो लॉस भी शेयर होल्डर्स को ही लेना है। 62A, ओनर्स। 63, as per AS 14, amalgamation under net payment method, payment to creditors by transferee company dash does not form part of PC. If you are paying to creditors, it is not a part of PC.